Hi everyone, this is Miss Marlena at the Satellite Beach Library and welcome back to our virtual Coder Dojo. We're going to get started with our space cleanup project from Moonhack. So this is the starter project that we had in our last video with our background and our space sprites. We still have our space cleanup project open here on the other tab. And we're just going to get started with making our project fly. So we are going to code the rocket ship sprite in the Scratch project. We're going to start off with an event. Events are always what you start your project off with. Your code has to be told to start. Otherwise, it won't know what to do. So we always start with an event, and you can see that the events are curved on top so that nothing else goes above them. Only things can go below them. We're also going to add a bit of logic. These are our controls, and they're sort of the rules for our project. So we want this project to go on forever. We're going to add a forever block. I'm going to switch over here so that I can show you what those look like. Our controls are on the left-hand side, and our events are just above them. So let's add an event. Our project will start with when the green flag is clicked, this one right over here. And then we're going to add our forever block. You can see over here there are different controls as well. You could have your project wait a second. You can change that time too in the white space there. You can have it repeat a certain number of times. And you can also have an if-then statement. An if-then statement is kind of like a cause and effect. So if one action takes place, it would cause another one to happen. All right. In our events, we could also pick different events, which we will need later. You could change things like having different keys pressed. You could also have when the sprite is clicked. So if I were to click on the rocket ship, something might happen. Things like that. All right. So let's see. We need an if-then statement now. So the way this game works is you're going to control it with the different arrow keys. You have up, down, left, and right. So each one of those is going to make the rocket ship move. I'm going to show you how to do the first one here. So we're going to use an if-then, and we're going to make the key up arrow move. All right, so instead of a forever, actually no, we do need the forever. Sometimes you have to go back to your instructions, right? We need our if-then. We can actually put that if-then right inside. So what that's going to mean is forever. If we hit the up arrow, the rocket ship will move up. Now we need our sensing. So let's see. If we have a key press, and you'll see this shape fits right in there, and you can just add it right in. We want our up arrow. So if you just click on that, you can change it to an up arrow. And now, what do we want to happen to the rocket ship when we press that up arrow? We would like it to move up. So let's go over to our motion and get a change position by 10. Let me just make sure that's the right one. Nope, we need a Y. All right. I'm going to press my up arrow now, and let's see what happens. My rocket ship moves up. We're going to repeat that for each one of the 4 arrows. You can see that in here. Now, I want to make a point about what it means by changing Y and changing X. Y is the axis going up and down. And you can see that down here, just above our sprites. So if we're changing Y, we're going to tell the rocket ship to move up or down. If we change X, we're going to tell the rocket ship to move from left to right. So that's what that means. If we change our Y by 10, the rocket ship moves up by 10. So go ahead and repeat these instructions for all 4 of your arrow keys, and then your rocket ship can move up, down, left, or right, depending on which button you press. Thanks for joining us for our Coder Dojo, and we'll see you in the next video.